Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I gonna show you how to recover delete chat on Instagram. Follow my one step. Open your Instagram account. Now click on profile menu. Now click three dot icon. Now click account center. Now scroll down. Now click profile information and permissions. Now click export your information. Now click create export. Select your account. Export to device. Now click notify. Your email save. Now click customize information. Only select message, chat. Now click message. Recover to message. Click on save. Data reach. You recover last week, month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, last 3 years. Your choice. My choice last year. Now click save. Format. Now click HTML. Now click save. Now click export. Start export. Now click your Instagram password. Now click continue. By doing process, you can successfully recover delete chat on Instagram. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.